very much.
Agikinyaniria itua ria gukindira hotani wa William Ruto ta president muthure wa gatano wa bururi uyu, mucirithania munene Martha Koome orotete mawakiri eri Celestine Okiyo na Arnold Oginga aria augite uira uria matengemanirie mbere ya igoti tugiru wari wa maheni.
The report by the registrar of this court confirmed the authenticity of the original forms in the sampled polling stations. The affidavits of Celestine Okiyo and Arnold Oginga, while containing sensational information, were not credible, as the registrar's report confirmed.
Uira uyu uria wahuthiritwo kuonania uria kura gikabu-ini kia Raila Odinga cionoragio gikabu-ini kia Ruto, Koome augite ndungitikirika kana uhuthike igoti-ini ni undu wa itumi ici. Form 34A iria mawakiri maya mohithanitie uira-ini uyu matianengeretwo ni maagent kuma ceceni cia uikia wa kura mugaru na uria mawakiri maya merite igoti.
It has been established that none of the agents on whose behalf the forms were being presented saw any affidavit, that there is nothing to show that they had instructed both Celestine and Arnold to act for them.
Hakiri uguo, Koome augite mawakiri maya ni maunire gicunje kia watho kegie uira wa maheni igoti-ini.
And as a general rule, counsel are not permitted to swear affidavits on behalf of their clients in contentious matters like the one before us, because they run the risk of unknowingly swearing to falsehood and may also be liable to cross-examination to prove the matters deponed.
Makiria na guthingata ukinyaniria wa kihoto, Koome arutire mawakiri aya mũkana na kuga ciĩko ta ici no ciĩkire igeca wĩra-inĩ wao.
Section 114 of the Penal Code states, and I quote, "Any person who swears falsely or makes a false affirmation or declaration before any person authorized to administer an oath or a declaration upon a matter of public concern, and at such circumstances that the false swearing or declaration, if committed in a judicial proceeding, would have amounted to perjury, is guilty of a misdemeanor."
Hindi iyo Koome augite igoti ni rirateanirie uira uria wahanditwo ni John Githongo wa kuga kuri na andu maingirire mitambo ya IEBC guthoga maumirira, akiuga uira uyu wari wa maheni. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Gitu Wangari Maria wa Mũigana.